shouldn't play with fire, put it out with water, but now you're drowning.
Alright y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details, the specs, and all those good things about this unit, then please continue to watch. Alright y'all, so the unit I'm rocking today was sent to me by Soullady Wigs. Shout out to you, Soullady Wigs, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. This is my first time working with this company and I'm super excited to try them out. Okay, so the wig that they sent me is their 13 by 4.5 HD Lace Jerry Curly Wig in 26 inches. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on the site so I can get a little more details and specs on it. Child, once I clicked on the site, the model that they use got the fluffy look, and you guys know I love the fluffy look, so you may see some pictures with it looking like this and then being a little more fluffy, because I may just start putting my fingers through it. But anyways, I digress. So it says Soullady 13 by 4.5 full frontal wig, Jerry curly hair, HD lace human hair wig, pre-plucked and bleached. This unit is available in 14 to 30 inches. The length that the model is wearing is 22 inches, but as I stated, they sent me 26, and I'm guessing that's more so of a stretched length than not, because it's really not giving 26 inches like this, but I'm guessing it's a stretched length, so keep that in mind. It says the product advantages is glueless install, wear and go, zero skill needed, super natural looking, longer and fuller than others wig with the same specifications, soft and smooth, manageable and low maintenance. The unit, as I stated, is Jerry Curly. It is available in 14 to 30 inches. And it's a 13 by 4.5 full frontal HD transparent lace. Fit your scalp color perfectly, and it comes in an average size. All right y'all, so those are all the details and specs that they have on this unit on the site. Now I did decide to bleach this unit. It does say pre-bleached, but I felt like it could be bleached a little more, but I do feel like you could still get away with not bleaching it. It's just like why I said I'm on that kick right now, okay? So I feel like you could get away with not bleaching it, but I did bleach the wig. Now, as far as tweezing and all the things, I didn't touch old girl, okay? The most that you guys saw me, the most that I did was, like I said, bleach the knots and then apply the product and all that stuff. But that's it, that's all. You know, my little style, my little hippie braid style to go with my little hippie shirt. But that is pretty much all that I had to do to this unit. It does say it's a 4.5, and I agree, because I was like, hold on, now I'm going a little farther back than I usually do with a 13 by 4, so it's a little bit better. It's still 13 by 4, girl, because you're still gonna hit weft like right in here, but you do have a little bit more room, a little more wiggle room, okay? So that is also a plus. And yeah, as far as shedding and tangling, it did none of the things. Initially I thought this unit was kinky curly, and I was like, girl, what type of kinky curl is this? This is pretty easy, but it's Jerry Curly, so that does make more sense. So and I did use that little brush thing that I don't normally like, but like I said, it really defined the curls with this unit really well, in my opinion. And yeah, that is pretty much it. Oh, as far as it being big head friendly, I think it's extremely big head friendly, and I do only have the head that's on my shoulders, but girl, I feel like it's extremely big head friendly, because I had to adjust the straps along with the elastic band just to kind of get it to fit, and I still have a little more room. So in my opinion, it's more medium to large head friendly than not, but do with that what you want to do with that, girl, because I only got the head that's on my shoulders, okay? So yeah, that is it. If you're interested in my pros and cons towards a full 360, then please continue to watch. My only con is gonna be my standard con, girl, because I couldn't think of nothing else. It's gonna be that is a 13 by 4.5. Even though I have a little more room than normal, it's still 13 by 4. You know what I'm saying? So that's just gonna have to be my con. But I do feel like this one is better than the standard 13 by 4. That little 0.5 did a little something, all right? So yeah, that's gonna be my con. As far as my pros go, one of them is going to be the fact that it's a 13 by 4.5. You got to get a 13 by 4. That little 0.5 does a little sun, so it's also a pro as well. I love that it came pre-tweezed, and I love that it came slightly pre-bleached. It just says pre-bleached, but in my opinion, it was more so slightly pre-bleached. It does say you can wear it glueless. I struggle with making frontals fit glueless. I don't know what it is with me and my head and my ears and all that. It just don't want to do any other things. But it does say you can wear it glueless, so that can be a pro for the people that can. And yeah, that is pretty much it as far as the pros go. Yes, I would recommend this wig, even though this is my first time working with this company, honey. They came through with the come through, so yes, I would recommend this unit. All right, y'all, so I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys this full 360 so we can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. This is where it comes to me. Keep in mind I am 5'4". And this is it on the right side. So yeah, y'all, let me know down below what you guys think. Let me know if you are feeling it. Do you think it's a look, it's a vibe? What you think about my little outfit and hairstyle? Like, honey, I don't know what's going on with Bama weather. I know it's freaking October and you like, girl, you half naked. Child, Bama be Bamaing, okay? Yesterday it was like 80 something degrees. Today I think it's a little cooler. I think it's like 71 or something, but child, still it's not cold, okay? But anyways, y'all, let me know down below what you guys think about it. If you like it, if you don't like it, let me know if you've ever tried this company. I'm interested in your thoughts and opinions. And if you are interested in purchasing this unit, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. And once again, shout out to you, Soullady Wigs, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. And yeah, girl, that's all. That's all. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, thoughts, or whatever, sound off down below in the comments. I would appreciate it. And if you're not already subscribed, girl, click the subscribe button. It's not because you're not one red cent. And if you're not already, follow me on all my social media platforms. I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and TikTok. My ultimate on Snapchat, and DizastrousB on Twitter. And I will see love ups next time. Bye.
Love completely got every style.